Hello student. Today we are going to continue our previous chapter, resources, land and soil. And you have already done exercises and short question answer. Okay? And now you have to write the long answer type questions. Okay? And what is your first question is? Explain the following. Here we have to explain the afforestation and contour plugging. Okay. Here is A or B. You have to explain. You have to write here afforestation. We have already learned what is afforestation. Afforestation means planting more tree. Okay. And how afforestation help the conserving soil and soil erosion. Okay. Afforestation can help a lot in conserving the soil. Okay. And how the afforestation help the conserving the soil? Because the roots of the tree bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. You have already learned in the science subject that what is the function of the roots. Function of the roots is binding the soil and also prevent the soil erosion. Planting trees in a row can arrest force of the wind and also prevent washing away of soil by water, because roots bind the soil. That's why soil prevent the washing away of water. That's why afforestation is possibly the best and easiest method of soil conservation. Okay, is it clear that the why afforestation conserve the soil erosion? And next point, come to the next point, we have to be contour plugging. What is contour plugging? Plugging means cultivation, and here is new word to you, that the contour. In geography, contours line. Okay, and contours line is around a hill area and with a same height. This is called contour line. Okay, and on that line cultivation in especially hilly area. Okay, so contour plugging, where is contour plugging is important, and how the contour plugging is prevent the flow of water and soil erosion. It involves farming along the contours line horizontally, where around a hill. That's why in hilly area that the plugging up and down the slope. It means in that area, in hilly area, that the plugging is mostly in the contour line, not in up and down slope. And that's why contour pluggings reduce the flow of water and also soil erosion. Okay, clear? Is this is 2 point A and B. And come to the next question. What are the reason for land degradation? Describe any 4 measures to conserve land. And here is your answer. The reasons for land degradation are, here is your point, here is your first point, increased population and its ever increasing pressure on land. If population increase, that means that the pressure of land also increase. And our next point is deforestation. Deforestation means that the cutting down the tree and clean the forest. It is called deforestation. Okay. And the next point, number third, overgrazing by animals. You know the meaning of overgrazing by animals? That the limited lands and large number of animals they are grazing. It is not suitable also for environment. Number 4, soil erosion. Soil erosion, also you learned that the soil erosion, topmost layer of the soil is cutting down, that is called soil erosion. Next, number 5, expansion of city. If our population increase, then also expansion of cities. Is it true? Number 6, natural disaster such as floods and landslide. It is also caused for the land degradation. Okay. And here is your some measures. Measures means solution to conserve land. And what is the solution to conserving the land? First point is afforestation. Afforestation means planting more trees. Number second point, proper management of grazing. Okay, proper management of grazing. Number third point, proper management of wasteland. Okay. And the last one point is control of mining. And also control of mining is the measures of the land degradation. Okay. And today your homework, you have to write these 2 questions in your fair copy. Okay. Thank you.